You want to build powerful legs? The leg press is a fantastic tool, but here's the thing. Most people are actually turning this incredible exercise into something that can seriously hurt their knees and back, without even realizing it. The goal isn't just moving heavy weight. It's about building muscle safely. So let me show you exactly what most people get wrong on the leg press. Mistake number 1, slamming the sled with ego weight. Mistake 2, feet placed randomly with no purpose. And mistake 3, dropping so deep your lower back peels off. This looks intense, but all those mistakes steal tension from the muscles and dump stress right onto your joints instead of using them for growth. So here's the part everyone misses. It's not about how much weight you move. It's about how you control every single rep. Let's fix this together. Okay, first things first, sit in the machine and lock your hips down tight against the seat. Your lower back should stay pressed flat the entire time. Now foot placement. Place your feet shoulder width apart, slightly higher up on the platform.